This video walks you through how to add a newborn as a dependent in TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account while you are already signed in and open the tax return you are currently working on. Once the return is on screen, look to the left side of the page for the main navigation menu. In that menu, select My Info to move into the Personal Details section of the return. On the Personal Profile page, scroll down until you reach the area labeled Your Household. This section is where TurboTax keeps track of the people connected to your return, including dependents. When you find it, click Add a Dependent to begin entering your newborn's information. TurboTax will take you to a page that asks who you support. On that screen, choose My Child. This tells the program that you are adding a child dependent rather than another type of dependent, and it sets up the next set of questions accordingly. After selecting My Child, click Continue. You will then arrive at the page that starts collecting your child's personal details. Enter your newborn's first name, middle initial if there is one, and last name. Make sure the spelling matches your records so the dependent information is entered accurately in your return. Next, enter your newborn's date of birth in the field provided. Since this process is specifically for adding a newborn, take a moment to confirm that the birth date is correct before moving ahead. After that, open the Citizenship drop-down menu and choose the citizenship or residency status that applies to your child. Select the option that matches your records, then click Continue. From there, TurboTax will guide you through the remaining dependent questions. Continue through each screen and enter the requested information about your newborn to complete the dependent section. The exact follow-up questions can vary, so review each prompt carefully and provide the details TurboTax asks for before moving to the next screen. As you progress, stay within the dependent flow until TurboTax finishes collecting the information it needs for your child. If a page takes a moment to load after you continue, wait for the next question to appear and then keep going. The goal here is to complete the newborn's dependent profile fully so it becomes part of your current tax return. Once you have finished the dependent questions and the section is complete, you are done with the process of adding your newborn to the return. Thanks for watching. Your newborn is now added as a dependent in TurboTax.